Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a React.js package where you can display currencies of different countries in your React.js application. So we are displaying, you can see dollar here. So if you are working with application which is related to currencies, you can use this package which is React Currency Formatter. So here you can format the numbers by passing a simple number and display the currencies very easily. So the package name is React Currency Formatter. So this is actually the package here if you see. So I've already installed it. The command is very simple. It has got almost 1400 weekly downloads. So just I will show you a very simple example. So first of all, you need to import this package. So import currency, and it will be coming from React Currency Formatter. It's almost 23 kilobytes. And here in the JSX, we actually return the component here, which is currency. And it actually takes two options. First is the quantity, how much quantity that you want to display the currency. Let me say 500, and then the currency. So here you'll be selecting the 3-letter digit code of the currency that you want to display. So I'm displaying United States dollars. So if you see, so now it displays this dollar sign, it adds this dollar sign. If I change this, if I want to now display, so here if I change this to GBP, which is Great Britain pound, then we have this pound symbol, I think. Then we have rupees, which is INR, AUD, Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. So we have all these currencies, 3-letter digit codes. So here you will replace accordingly to all your respective country. So if you refresh now, so you will see that. So this is now dollar, this is pound symbol, this is rupee symbol. So depending upon your country, you will select. This is essentially the package, guys. Thank you very much, guys, for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and also check out my website as well, freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video, and image. And I will be seeing you in the next video.